Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple plaid pattern. It's so simple and so fast crocheting because I use multicolor yarn. But you can make your this pattern part different colors, but it will be takes a little more time. But you can get your real plaid effect. It's so simple, only we use single crochet and front post double crochet. That's it. So simple, uh, so easy. You can do that easily. Okay, I hope you like it. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple plaid pattern. Let's start to crochet. I use in this pattern size 3 yarn, and I use 4mm hook with that. I will show you another yarn. This quality is size 4, but I want to use 4mm again. I want to show you more stable that pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby blankets or baby wear or cardigans for an adult. So simple and so fast. If you want to make a baby blanket with that pattern, you need minimum 90 centimeter width. Okay, 90 you need a square with that. For this pattern you need multiples of 9 plus 6. Okay, sorry, plus 5. Multiples of 9 plus 5. First of all, we will make slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will make a little sample for you, so that's enough for me. I have 18 stitches now, plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert into the, skip this very first, insert into the second, grab your yarn, pull through 2, make a single crochet, insert into the next, grab your yarn, you have 2 loops, pull through 2. Make a single crochet in every each stitch from the first row. Okay, insert, grab your yarn, pull through 2. I will make a single crochet in every each stitch after turn 2. I complete my single crochets. Now chain 1 and turn my work, not count that chain 1, and make a single crochet in every each stitch on the second row again. Okay, yarn not insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2. Okay, make single crochet in every each stitch. I crochet 2 rows single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn my work, not count again, insert into the first stitch and make single crochet 1, next one 2, next one 3, and next one 4. I make here 4 single crochet, then yarn over and 1, 2, 3, 4, insert into the first rows single crochet, front to back, down front as front post, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make a little loosey front post double crochet. This is 1, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, 2, yarn over, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, 3, yarn over, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, 4, yarn over, insert into the fifth one, grab my yarn, and make my 5 front post double crochet. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skip, insert into the sixth one on the second row as usual, and make here 4 single crochet. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, next one, 4. When you make your 4 single crochet, then make 5 front post double crochet. Insert into the previous one before of previous row single crochet as front post. Grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next. Grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip, insert into the 6th one. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, and next one, 4. Finish with 4 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work, not count that, start from the very first and make single crochet in every each stitch. Background we will make always single crochet. All the pattern is on the front side. I will make, look at that, I'm on the front post part, not crochet here. On the 3rd row I will make my single crochets here. Come to end and finish the 4th row. Chain 1 and not count, turn your work front side. Now again make my singles from very first, 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you come to front post part, yarn over, insert your hook from the first front post here like that. Grab your yarn, make it a little loosey, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the next one, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the 3rd one, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the 4th one, make your front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert the 5th one, make your 5th front post double crochet like that. Then make 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make 5 front post from the one before previous rows front post using them. 1, next one, 2, yarn over, this is the 3rd one, yarn over, this is the 4th one, yarn over, this is the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip, insert the 6th one, 1, 2, 3 and 4 single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn your work. On the back side always we will make single crochet like that. I complete this row, come to front side and turn to you. I complete the back side single crochet. Every stitch we made here a single crochet. Then chain 1 and turn your work, not count that. Look at that, do the same thing again. Make here 4 single, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then yarn over and make here 5 front post double crochet, but we use one before rows front post double crochet. Grab and lose it, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have a square now here. Then make here 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over, make 5 front post. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then finish your pattern with 4 single crochet, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will twist this front post and the single crochet places. Okay, chain 1 and not count. Back side always make single crochet in every each stitch. Don't forget, make single crochet. I complete back side with single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn my work. Look at that. Now we will make here front post, we will make here single crochet. Yarn over, I will use the one row before of this previous row. Again, I insert my hook back to front, grab my yarn, pull through 1, next one, 2, next one, 3 and next one, 4. Then make 5 single this time, because we make here 4 single, so this time 4 front post, 5 single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over. Look at that. This is previous, this is one before here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over. This is previous, this is one before here. 1 here, 2, 3, this is the last one, 4. We twisted these places. Now again do the same thing, chain 1 and not count, turn and make a single crochet in every each stitch. I finished this background, chain 1 and not count, and do the same thing which we did here. Yarn over, I have front post, use these front posts, grab my yarn, lose it, pull through 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from the 5th one and make 5 single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over and make 4 front post. 1, using the previous front post. 2, 3 and 4. 1 single, 2 single, 3 single, 4 single and 5 single, and make here 4 front post. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's it. Then chain 1 and turn your work, make your single crochet, then turn and again make 4 front, 5 single, 4 front post, 5 single, 4 front post. Then make, turn and make your single crochet. I complete these 3 rows. After turn to end, we will turn back to this 3rd row again. You will keep repeat like that. I complete after turn 2. I complete chain 1 and turn my work. Look at that. Now we will twist again. Not count my chain 1 and make here 4 single. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over. This time I will insert my hook again, not previous, one before previous row, here as front post, front to back, then front, grab my yarn, pull through to 1, 2, next 3, next 4, and next is 5. Then make here 1, 2, 3 and 4 single. Then make here not previous, one before previous as front post, make here 5 front post double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3 and finish with 4 single crochet. Look at that. Back side make single crochets, then again make 4 single, 5 front post, 4 single, 5, 4 single. Repeat that 3 sets, then twist it. This time 4 front post, 5 single. Okay, you will keep repeat which length you want. You will keep repeat like that. I hope you like it. If you use more thicker yarns and more thicker hooks, you will have more plaid effect. I hope you like and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and thanks for all the supports. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.